Hi fam, welcome. Today's class challenge is going to be about extruding and beveling. So you'll see here that our rainbow is malfunctioned and the rainbow bars are sent everywhere. He's not able to share with his buddy here. Now it's sad. Over here you can see this rainbow's all growing in one direction. The two tools we're going to be using are the extrude tool and the bevel tool. The extrude tool lets us create geometry that extends from whatever geometry we have selected at the time. So if I have an edge or vertice or a face, I can extrude those parts. So I'm going to right click the rainbow here, press tab. I'm going to switch to, well, first I'm going to do vertex to show you. And if you just press E, you can extrude. And just kind of snaps to your mouse. Now you can take control of that by pressing Z, X, or Y, just like movement. And then you confirm with either a left click, or you can cancel with a right click. And it will drop that extrusion back to where it was extruded from. So you might end up with some geometry on top of each other if you're not careful. Just going to take a step back in time with Control Z. What I'm actually going to do is select the top face. It is just one face. I'm able to put multiple across one face. With a right click, I'm going to press E. What it's going to do is it's going to find what way that face is pointing, and you're going to extrude in that direction. So you can do up, you can even do down, but let's do up. And now the cloud is starting to reach. Now if we wanted this to bend over to our other happy cloud friend, we'll use rotate, and we will just use the Y constraint. Now slide that over a bit. There we go. We're on our way. Then you can just repeat that process and you will be able, oh no, it's the wrong button. If you repeat that process, you are able to extend the rainbow very quickly for a friend. That's just a normal rainbow. This is 3D. We can make some pretty wild rainbows. So for an additional challenge, we use the bevel tool. First, I'm going to extrude, and I'm going to make sure that this, that right side almost looks like it's a square. That should do it. Then I'm going to actually extrude this edge. And going to extrude one more time, and then rotate Z-axis. Something like that. Extrude again. Just a little. Again. Now this is pretty jaggedy right here for a rainbow. What we can do is go into edge mode. I'm going to click that edge. I'm going to click this edge back here as well. And then now I'm going to use the bevel tool. To use bevel, press Control B. If you're using vertexes, you can press Shift Control B as in boy, and it will split the edge that you have selected. So now that's a little bit smoother of an edge. If I want it to be even more smoother, I can spin the mouse wheel and I'll get more edges to cut with. You'll see why I selected the bottom one as well, just to get a nice round edge the whole way around. Back here. Extrude you out. Send you up. Send you again. Just extruding. And you can do it to multiple edges, so select. And Control B. Then the mouse wheel. And now we have a pretty wild road happening. Why don't you see what happens with a vertex? Or if you do it to a face. Alright, fam. Thanks for the visit. We'll see you in the next one. Peace, peace.
Bingoa.